Ariana Grande is married. Star ties knot with Dalton Gomez in private ceremony. Ariana and Dalton's wedding took place at their home in Montecito, California. Just 20 of their closest family and friends were in attendance. The couple began dating in January 2020 and spent much of the COVID-19 pandemic self-isolating together at her home. Gomez works for Aaron Kim & Group as a luxury home realtor. According to his bio on the site, Gomez was raised in Southern California and has been working in the luxury real estate market for 5 years. C17 Globemaster doing a low flyby in Australia. Flash flood in El Paso, Texas from previous years. Plane landing on a small dirt road in the middle of a forest in Brazil.
Tá vendo como é que é?
Another scary flash flood.